Hi everyone, in this tutorial. When you upgrade to Windows 10, a folder called Windows.old is created on your C drive. This folder contains all of the files from your previous installation of Windows, in case you need to roll back to it. However, after a while, this folder can take up a significant amount of space on your hard drive. If you're sure that you don't need to roll back to your previous installation of Windows, you can safely delete the Windows.old folder. To do this, follow these steps. Select the drive that Windows is installed on, usually C. Click on the disk cleanup. If you don't find previous Windows installation, click on the Cleanup System Files button and wait. In the list of files to delete, check the box next to Previous Windows Installation. Click OK and then click Delete Files. Windows will now delete the Windows.old folder. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the folder. Folder Windows.old is deleted. Thanks for watching.